I'll tell you the hottest leather in the fashion industry today. It's actually cactus leather. How's it made? You take the leaves of the cactus plant, cut it, dry it, turn it into powder, turn it into a paste, and then bake it. The residue that comes out looks and feels exactly like leather. It's stuck on a fabric, and leather bags and shoes are made out of it. In fact, H&M, Karl Lagerfeld, Adidas, in fact even Fossil are making vegan leather products out of cactus leather. The business is actually a monopoly based out of Mexico called Desserto. Now, in the US and Mexico markets, the price of actual leather and cactus leather is pretty much the same. But when you import it to India, it's almost 3 times the price, which is why there's a massive opportunity in India for someone to enter into production of these leathers. For example, in Kerala, there's a company called Malai, which makes coconut leather. However, in my opinion, it doesn't feel as much like real leather as cactus leather does. Do you know, there's also pineapple leather in the market. In fact, the government is really pushing for cactus production in the country. More details in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.